Hey guys, it's Rita. Not doing real well today. Haven't fixed my hair, makeup, anything. But I have a video. It is industrial farmhouse type DIY, and I hope you enjoy it. And remember, if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you join. Let's get right to the DIY today. Hey guys, it's Rita. I started taking these apart before I realized I wasn't recording, but these are like the little bubble blowers at Dollar Tree. And I've got two of them. I'm thinking I probably should have got more because the more I look at it, the more I want to do something else. But this was my idea. Remove the bottom piece on both of them, so you're just left with the two circle parts. Okay, so I'm gonna try a box cutter. See how this works. There we go. Wasn't too bad. Okay, so I think I've decided on a plan. I'm going to use these shims, glue them together, put two on top, leave a little space between. Let me do it like this. Okay. And I'm going to use these popsicle sticks, but I'm going to square them off at the ends. I'm going to get those glued on there, something like this. Stand it up in that, and then I'm going to spray paint it. So let's get all this glued together. Okay, we're going to let this dry, and I'll probably go ahead and cut these down to square them. And all I mean by that is, sorry, got you way off camera here. Just square that top off. And bottom. I'll do that to all four of these. Then I'm going to try to figure out how to get it attached to this, maybe using a mixture of super glue and hot glue on that. So I'll be right back. Okay, right here guys, I'm taking these popsicle sticks that I've squared off. I'm going to use super glue gel and a little bit of hot glue to attach these to the piece. And then I'm going to stick them down in the base and use a little super glue and hot glue also to hold them in place. Okay, now that I have the legs attached, I'm going to get them in place on the base. And I know it doesn't look like much right now, but fingers crossed it will turn out okay. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry for a little while. I'm going to try to clean off some of this glue that's come out of it, and then I'm going to spray paint it. And I'm not sure what color yet. I've got to see what I have on hand actually. So once I spray paint it, I'll get back to you and we'll see how it turns out. Okay guys, here it is. I really kind of like how it turned out. I wasn't sure at first, but yeah, I used a copper spray paint on that. And I had 3 of those little wheels left over. Those are off of that other bubble wand that I had that I was going to use, but I cut it up because I wanted to cover this part with something. So yeah, I think it turned out really cute. I do have some hot glue that seeped out there that you can see, but overall, for a first attempt at industrial, kind of like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.